Zendesk Messaging allows you to deliver rich, modern, and automated conversational support on your website and mobile apps. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to turn on messaging in your account. Only an admin can enable messaging. To turn on messaging, first open the products icon and navigate to Admin Center. Select Workspaces and then Agent Workspace. Check to make sure Agent Workspace is on. If Agent Workspace is not enabled, turn it on. Next, navigate to Channels, and under Messaging and Social, click Messaging. Next, click the Manage Settings button. Check the box to turn on messaging for your account. You will get a confirmation message. Next, enable messaging for specific brands and click Save Settings. Finally, navigate back to the messaging section of your channel settings. Here you can enable your messaging widget. Now you've turned on messaging for your account. Thanks for watching.